Olá, tenemos la depresión Oliver que está dejando estos chubascos fuertes en las Canarias y en Morocco y más zonas así. Entonces hoy ya hubo unos chubascos bastante fuertes en las Canarias y mañana, día 10 jueves, aún muestra más chubascos. Ya muestra algunos por la mañana, sí, día 10 y quizás menos por la tarde, pero aún muestra sí algunos. Y viernes quizás alguna lluvia sí, muy floja. Y quizás sábado muestra alguna tormenta así en las Canarias, pero entre hoy y mañana por la mañana será más fuerte así. Entonces, precauciones con esta lluvia, porque a las zonas más altas así de la montaña puede haber bastante lluvia, más acumulación. Y 28 milímetros no parece mucho, pero si cae bastante así en poco tiempo, puede ser algunas inundaciones, así como hay às vezes nessas zonas más con essas montañas así, puede ser deslizamientos de tierra y esto. Entonces, precauciones. Y tú puedes ver que la parte más alta de las islas es donde hay más lluvia, como aquí en esta otra que muestra de 27 milímetros. Entonces, precauciones con estas lluvias. Y esto no es un modelo de resolución muy alta. Entonces, si hubiera un modelo de resolución más alta en las Canarias, creo que iba a enseñar más lluvia que esto, principalmente a las zonas de las islas con las montañas así, frente al viento, que de la dirección que viene el viento viene la lluvia también y suele llover más a las zonas frente al viento de las islas. Entonces, precauciones y haber más lluvia en otras esas zonas así también. Y, y es esto. Y ahora muestra en el satélite estas lluvias que se acercan así, alguna tormenta aislada, pero más tarde así llega a, como durante la noche y por la mañana, esta parte más fuerte. Entonces, precauciones con deslizamientos de tierra y todo. Y es esto. Y a ver aquí. So there's this system there, the Canary Islands, like I mentioned in Spanish, affect Morocco as well. These showers and storms. So today's Wednesday already shows more storms in Algeria, spots in Morocco, and there might be more Thursday and Friday, some storms in Morocco there, and shows until Sunday storms in Morocco and Algeria. So be aware of that rain there in Madeira too, a few showers, but not as heavy as the Canary Islands. So be careful in those areas. Mainland Europe, we still have that snow in the northeast and in the extreme north there in Norway and Sweden Thursday, a big plunge of snow there with wind and rain and everything. And until Friday, more snow in Sweden and Estonia, not around in Latvia, Lithuania, and even Poland Friday. So this goes there, and probably another wave of snow Saturday, Sweden, Norway, and Finland. So stay safe, be careful. Winter's not over there yet, and here in Southern Europe shows like some we had some storms near the Pyrenees this afternoon and some showers in Italy. So Thursday shows maybe a few more isolated storms near France and Spain, spots of Spain, maybe a storm or two in Portugal. But this goes, and let's see here. Entonces, viernes, día 11, muestra más lluvia en el sur y oeste de España y Portugal, así. Quizás más tormentas día 11, viernes, y quizás aún sábado, día 12, más tormentas, así. Algunas zonas. Domingo quizás más tarde, como domingo por la noche, quizás lunes en el Mediterráneo y Cataluña, y en las Islas Baleares, día 14, y quizás así más por la tarde, más algunas tormentas así, y a ver aquí. So in France and Italy, shows like throughout Friday, Saturday, maybe some showers in France. Sunday still shows maybe some snow in the Alps, but very little. More showers in France. But then the system gets together Monday, the 14th. This still in the morning shows more heavy rain, snow in the Alps and Italy, especially maybe some stronger storms towards Italy. So stay safe there in Slovenia, spots of Croatia too, as this heads towards the east. And still shows Tuesday, more rain throughout France, Spain, more spots there Wednesday, some snow on the Pyrenees maybe, and this wave of moisture continues towards Eastern Europe. So Tuesday the 17th, still snow in the Alps, possibly some widespread rainfall for Central and Eastern Europe, and then more rain later Friday. We might have a sneaky little system saying hi to Ireland and the UK around the 18th, but that's kind of far out. So be careful. There's the GFS and the icon shows those storms, the Canary Islands, the GFS, and at the same time, Turkey still having snow, and Armenia, Georgia, Azerbaijan shows, especially still Saturday, Morocco, those storms there until Sunday. So stay safe Saturday, Sunday. This model, the GFS already has storms the Mediterranean by Sunday because the European has most on Monday, but by Sunday morning the GFS is arrived, the system there, and by Monday it's already in the Alps and in other spots of Europe. But Tuesday the GFS still has stuff in Spain, especially France, Spain, Tuesday, Wednesday. The GFS is very active, to say the very least. On the 16th, has a lot of rain, snow around Spain, France, Italy, those areas there. So we gotta monitor this pattern very closely. We'll likely make another video about this weekend as this evolves. But just be careful in Morocco and Algeria during like today until Sunday. Be careful there. And later into next week, the icons are with like 107 millimeters in Italy. The European array has 109 in Italy, and there's in France as well some 80 millimeters. Has more around Spain and Portugal, so be careful. The Canary Islands and those spots there, and the European just increased a little bit now to 43. Yeah, because before I was only looking to Saturday, I extended now until Monday, so it shows close to 40. So yeah, stay safe. So be careful. The snow still shows Morocco from this season. There's some 3 centimeters. This is inches, Jesus Christ. So shows some 5 centimeters. Spots there to 7, 9 centimeters. So be aware. But Eastern Europe is very wintry still. And so shows in Turkey more than 29 centimeters, 38 centimeters, 22. So be careful. Finland, Belarus, Romania, some snow in the Balkans, especially in Romania, and Ukraine, some as well, Slovakia. But Norway might be heavier. Central Norway shows more snow, central Sweden, most of Finland, so be aware, more spots of Norway as well. So be careful, there's the icon too. There's snow for Norway, Sweden, there, Finland. Southern Iceland shows more, central Iceland. There's the GFS more in southern Iceland, spots of Norway there still. So be careful, those areas. Wind gusts might be a big factor as well. Shows like first in Algeria and Morocco, be careful those winds. The Canary Islands as well. Maybe slightly higher gusts, especially Thursday. Shows Thursday morning slightly higher than this goes, and especially Thursday afternoon, Morocco shows some mountains close to 96 km per gust. so be careful. There's the icon. The icons is already in another world, shows like 118 the icon. That's interesting. But the Europeans are around 96, so be aware. Shows maybe breezy in the Azores as well. And Eastern Europe is quite breezy. Bulgaria, Romania, more spots there. The Middle East shows looks pretty busy as well. In Iran, spots of Saudi Arabia, Syria, Turkey, and even Kazakhstan tomorrow, Thursday. So we'll probably have more videos for Asia soon, but tomorrow maybe not because this happened relatively early in the day. So just to warn you now, more winds in China, Mongolia, and northern Russia maybe. So be careful those winds. And then shows Thursday tomorrow in Norway that fierce snow goes in, shows right on the coast, some Hargus, and interior parts of Sweden as well, Norway. So stay safe, especially with wind and snow. Shows kind of breezier in Denmark. Friday, Saturday shows more spots of Norway once again Saturday, maybe northern Norway until Sunday, and even some winds near Iceland, those areas. So beware. It shows an absolutely massive wind thing in China Friday. So we'll definitely have a video tomorrow, but it will be already tomorrow night there. So you might not have enough time to watch it until Friday if you are in China. So just giving you a heads up. But this does indicate maybe some lower pressures and more snow in China and Mongolia. So be careful. And yeah, just wanted to give you a heads up. Uh, these storms there in the Canary Islands, it is what triggered me to do this video. So be careful. We'll watch Europe for the storms next week as well. And the temperatures are still below average in Eastern Europe, and Turkey still those negative temperatures, especially Northern Europe, down to minus 16. The West is relatively better, but still not that warm. Some 10, even 19 degrees, 20, better than Eastern Europe. That's still cold. But this goes in the long range. Central Europe might get more above average there, and some more spots might get milder into next week, while she was slightly below maybe once again in Western Europe. So just be aware there and be careful. And here, just to see if there are any storms forecast, not yet, but those storms will pop up eventually. Be careful. Bye.